This is 1907 United States of America. 1 piso Pilipinas. United States of America. 1907. This is the front. 1 piso Pilipinas. 1 piso Pilipinas. A very rare and money of the Philippines during the time of American. 1 piso Pilipinas, and a combination of United States of America. 1907, minted in 1907. United States of America, and 1 piso Pilipinas. This is a very rare and old coins in the history of the Philippines and the United States of America. Minted in 1907. 1907. The year where it is minted in 1907. United States of America. 1907. 1 piso Pilipinas. So this is very expensive and rare old coins. Try to check this coin. Very expensive and rare old coins. 1 piso Pilipinas, year 1907. 1907. United States of America. Minted in 1907. The money of the United States of America and the Philippines. Philippines and United States money combination. On the front, it is the 1 piso Pilipinas, meaning it is money of the old coins of the Philippines, and on the back it is a money of the United States of America, minted in 1907. So this is a combination of United States of America and Philippines in the year 1907. So how great and rare is this kind of money in the history of the Philippines. Wonderful, rare old coins. 1907 by United States of America and Philippines. 1 piso Pilipinas. So this is a unique and very expensive because it is minted in the year 1907.